Good morning, students. Myself, Vaisali Patel. I am from Atal Bihari Vajpayee English Medium Primary School, Anjar, Kutch. Today I am going to teach looking around in standard 3rd. Now, dear students, let's start our remaining lesson 1. What did Poonam see? Animals live in different places. Some animals live on the trees, some live in water, some live on land, some live under the ground, and some fly in the sky. Some animals even live in our houses. Now, let's start activity. Look at the pictures given below. Color the animals that do not live in your house. Now, dear students, look the given pictures below and find out which animals do not live in our house. Answer is horse, hen, eagle, elephant, duck, chameleon. You can also write the name of fish, rat, otter, lizard and cockroach. Now let's see next activity. Here are some incomplete pictures of animals. Complete them and write their names below. Let's see after completing the picture what are these animals. The first one is dog. Second one is fish. Third one is cockroach. Let us move to the next activity. Who am I? Find my name in the crossword and put a circle around it. One example has been given. First question is banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Who am I? I am a monkey. Second question is on the walls webs I weave where insects stick and cannot live. Who am I? I am a spider. Third question is I remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. Who am I? I am an owl. Fourth question is croak, croak, croak is my sound. In water or on land I am found. Who am I? I am a frog. Fifth question is I appear after rainfall. Have no feet so I crawl. Who am I? I am a snail. Sixth question is slow and steady is my pace. I live on land and in water. Who am I? I am a tortoise. Now let us move to the next activity. In this activity, you can see thumbprints and fingerprints. You have draw some pictures using ink or watercolors. Now do at your home. You can draw a spider like this or you can draw a rabbit or a fish with the help of fingerprints or thumbprints. Now let us move to the next activity. Spend some time under a tree. Observe the animals carefully. Name the animals which can be seen. On the branches we can see sparrow, monkey, crow. On the leaves we can see caterpillar, grasshopper, beetle. On the trunk we can see squirrel and ants. On the ground we can see rat, rabbit and hare. Dear students, there is a very small difference between a rabbit and a hare. Rabbit has small ears and small legs, whereas the hare has long ears and long legs. Around the tree we can see cow, buffalo and goat. Now let us move to the next activity. Now arrange these animals in the order of their size, smallest being the first. Let us see the names of animals which we have to arrange. Now see the correct order. The first will be ants, second will be beetle, third will be caterpillar, fourth will be grasshopper, fifth will be sparrow, sixth will be rat, seventh will be squirrel, 8 comes crow, 9 comes rabbit, 10 comes hare, 11 comes monkey, 12 goat, 13 comes cow, and last will be buffalo. Now, last activity. This is a jigsaw puzzle. In a jigsaw puzzle, a picture is cut in a such way that one has to really think hard to fit the picture together. You can see few pictures are given below. Can you fix them to find out what picture it is? Let us see what does the picture looks like when we join these pieces together. Any guesses, friends? After putting the pieces together, see what picture it is. It is a Tom and Jerry.